video, we're going to show you how to create what we call a thank you page. Okay, we're going to go over to our landing page builder, and we're going to just click add. And realistically, the only template you'll need for this, you could use some of the other ones, but the only one that you'll really need would be this one right here. So I'm going to hit start editing. Okay. We are going to switch to our beta builder, the top left yellow button there. Switch right away. Okay. Now, the reason some people want to have a thank you page is they might be in a pre-launch or a deal, or they might not want people to see their actual website yet. So they just want to build a capture page, and then they have to link that capture page to something, you know, and they, instead of going to the offer itself, they might want to call them first before they see the offer, etc. So that's what's called a thank you page. So for example, we're going to show you how to build one. Okay, first of all, you can choose any background. So we'll just go pick a background image here, depending on what it is, if it's weight loss or whatever. But most thank you pages, I would probably stick with using a texture type of a background, just because of the nature of what it is that you're trying to do. Okay, so I mean, we have so many cool texture backgrounds. I like this one a lot. Okay, what I'm going to do here then is I'm just going to darken up the form with the opacity tool. Okay, and here's the deal. So you could do a couple things here. You could edit some things. Okay, so what you want to do is, you know, we'll just start editing this. I'm just going to hit edit content, and you can put something like this. Thanks for opting in. I be in touch real soon. Okay, for example, then I could hit this. Make sure you write down my phone number. And then I'll put a phone number in there. Okay. And if you want, you could add a picture, right? So I'm going to go over here to edit components and drop in a picture. Okay. Oh, I have to stop editing. So I'll add a URL. Actually, I just grabbed it, a picture right off of Facebook. Right there. Make sure you write down my phone number. You know, you can put your name in here. Something like that if you want. Then what I could do too is you want to dress this page up. If I want to set Maseratis right, if I want to get into that, I could do something like that and dress up this page. Okay, you see the form on here, so we're going to go over here to form settings, and we're going to hit none. We're going to take that form off. I am going to delete this little text here. I'm going to delete this little component here, and I'm going to delete that too. And then I'm going to say, I'm going to go back into the edit component box. I'm going to drag this down. Connect with me on social. Buttons are below. Okay. Now here's how you can make a thank you page. You're saying, wait a second, Dave, there's a button here. I don't want it to go anywhere. Well, now on this, we've actually allowed you to delete buttons. Okay. So we have this here like this, and then you can obviously connect your social links. And if you don't know how to do that, all you do is click on this social media button on the left, and you can add all your links here. And if you don't add one, if you just leave one blank, it will actually just only show the ones that you filled out. Okay, so now I got this cool capture page right here. Thank you page. So I'm just going to title this thank you page 1. Thank you. I'll just name it thank you here. to actually save the page, you still have to put something in this box. So you can put landing page goes here, google.com. It doesn't matter because there's no button. You hit save. Okay. So now I kind of just want to show you how it will work. Okay. I'll just go find any of my pages here. Landing page builder. Okay, let's say I wanted this cut your cable bill. And I scroll down. Well, I want to actually use a capture page here. Let me see what this is. Okay, this will work. So now I can go down. Notice this little arrow down here. I just go down and find thank you page. So I go down to, I got so much. Thank you right there. Save. All right. So now let's look what happens. Someone goes to a capture page that you create. They start to fill it out. They click the button. And now they see a thank you page. See, there's no link here. So the reason you do thank you pages is if you don't have a website you want to show somebody. Most of you will put them into a landing page. But some of you, I get a lot of people saying, hey, listen, I just started a brand new deal. They don't have a website up yet. So I need to be able to send them to some page. Or, hey, I don't want them to see anything until I literally have a chance to talk to them first. And so I want to make sure I speak to them. So if that's your scenario right there, this is a great option, all right? So this is a static page. So let's go in and do a video page real quick, just to have some fun. Okay, this thank you page here. What if I wanted to do a video instead of a picture? Well, you could do both if you want with the drag and drop. But I'm going to go over here to edit components, and I'm going to take a video right here, and I just so happen to upload one. To give you an example here. Edit content, post that. I turn off the related videos. Hit save. And now I'm going to name this page Thank You 1, for example. Okay, now let me go play this video. I'm going to open up this page and play it so you guys can actually hear kind of the video here. Hopefully you'll hear it. So let me open it up and let it play here. There we go. Let me hit play.
Hey, thanks for filling in your info in that form on that prior page. My name's Dave Dubs, and I got to tell you, me and my team are helping people just like you make a ton of money on the internet. We have a very, very easy system, nothing complicated, and when you see this, you're going to be absolutely mind blown. I'll tell you what, I'm going to be reaching out to you so I can actually show you everything that we got, and we'll see if you're a fit for us and we're a fit for you. But here's the thing, if you want to call me right away, my phone number is right below this video, so you can do that. But I also want to tell you my social networking links are also right below this video. So please hit me up on Facebook, hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on YouTube, and that way we can connect that way as well. Because listen, we're very big on working together, getting to know each other. This is not one of these things you just jump in and jump out and you're on your own. No, that's not what this is. So listen, if you're looking to really put some serious money in your pocket, you found the right thing. And I will be getting in touch with you with the phone number and the email address that you put in that form prior to this one. And again, if you want, feel free to reach out to me. That number hits me right now, and we can have a chat. All right, we'll see you real soon.
All right, so as you can see, I just threw that video together in a few seconds to give you an example. Now the social buttons, I didn't put social buttons on this page, but if I did, they would be right there. So the video, when I did this video, I said, hey, my phone number's right there, and my social numbers, networking will be right there too. So it's awesome. They opt in, they immediately get a video that they get to see you or introduce yourself. You put your phone number and your social buttons there. This is also kind of a great way to do like a virtual business card. Okay, when someone says, hey, listen, how do I get in touch with you? You can have them go opt into a form and do this. Or you could just build a page like this and take away the button and and make it like a virtual business card as well. So hopefully you love it. It's very, very easy to do now that you can remove the buttons on the drag and drop. The possibilities are endless for thank you pages. So get in this training and start doing it. I can't wait to see some of your awesome thank you pages that you create on the system.